These stamped watch charms are all the rage right now. I'm going to show you one way to make them. I measured the width of my watch band and it's just about 20 millimeters. Now I need to figure out where to put the lines to make my bends. So my watch band is 20 millimeter. This length of this metal is 44. So if I subtract 20 from 44, that's 24, and divide it in 2, that's 12 millimeters. So I need to make my line 12 millimeters in from the edges on both sides. And of course, there's many different ways to make the bends to accommodate the watch band, but this is the one I'm going to show you today. Now I'm going to test it up against my watch band. Looks good. You want to make sure those lines are on the outside of the watch band. I need to make 2 more lines here so that I'm sort of building this into like a U shape as I bend it. I don't want to just kink it over. I need to create some space to accommodate the thickness of the watch band. That's a little confusing, but continue watching. You'll see what I mean. Line the edge of your pliers up to your line and make sure that the edge of the pliers are just to the outside of the line, not exactly on the line. That way when you make the bend will sit exactly right on the line. Now I'm going to take my pliers and just make that bend a little more dramatic so the ends point at each other. And if you're worried about your pliers marring your metal, you can switch over to your nylon jaw pliers, but get them to point at each other like that and test it on your watch band and make sure it fits. Looks good. You can leave them sliding up and down, or you can pinch them real hard on the back, either with just your hands or nylon jaw pliers. I'm going to let this one sort of slide around. And look at that. Voila.
It's 5:10. Good evening.
I used a pre-made, pre-cut blank for this, but you could certainly cut your own from like a bracelet blank. Drop a comment if you have any questions.